Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York in my cousin's garage, and I have something very special. But before we get into that, just want to say thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following me, sharing my videos, liking my videos, interacting through comments. I think it's pretty awesome. And I just want to say, hit that bell notification and subscribe to my channel. On the right hand side, hit the little button. And I just want to share something with you guys. So check this out. We have here is a 1973 Pontiac 400 motor. Came out of a Firebird Trans Am car, and it's rebuilt. The machining and the labor was $2,500. That's what was told from the prior owner. We have many new parts that go with it. Okay, there's Edelbrock performance heads on, aluminum heads. You have the Scorpion 1.5 roller rockers in there. There's an Edelbrock intake, Moroso valve covers. Just not sure. I know there's a cam in there. We're not sure what the horsepower is. I know stock 1973 Pontiac motor would push like 360, so maybe there's 400, 450 horsepower. With the package, you'll get the engine stand. There's also engine hoist out there you'll get with it. Okay. There's brand new Edelbrock chrome valve covers, a flex fan, the brand new March pulley system, chrome thermostat cover, high performance Holley fuel pump, chrome power steering pump, MSD ignition, MSD wires. You have MSD cap and rotor here too. That's a brand new Summit starter. There's also a brake booster and brake master for a Pontiac Le Mans. You have the plug wires here, and some other parts here as well that you guys can have. There's the brake master there. Over here is the booster. So guys, there's a full load of parts here with the motor. The date code on the motor was H183, which is August 18th, 1973. And it came out of a 73 Firebird 6.6 liter motor. Please call me if anybody has any interest. My phone number is 631-620-1046. Again, 631-620-1046. The motor was never installed in a car, so we're just looking to sell it. The asking price on this motor is $4,900 or make an offer, and you get the engine stand, and also there's an engine hoist out there that will give you with the motor. Again, please call me anytime, 631-620-1046. Okay, guys, I want to thank you for tuning in. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. Subscribe to my channel, make any comments down below. Have a great day, and also like this video. Bye bye.